This now war break pussy, I will broke your chair. Fully shot it on your neck and make you take your last breath. This is madness, and I give you nothing.
Dear God,
I want you control my mind.
Alright, side. Mental health can affect you physically, emotionally, and spiritually. How much longer? We cry out silently.
Reaction.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TyrekeReacts, aka The Reaction. I'm put another video for you guys. Right now, I'm Trevon Vibez, song called Dear God, official music video. What? Link to the original song will be down below in the description of the video. You see me? Check it out. Look what's happening right now, though. You see me? You see me? You see? Hold on, the pause. Thank you very much for clicking on my video. And now I have one more thing I want to ask you guys to do. One more thing. Enjoy the reaction. Go on!
In life, we are faced with many obstacles. It's up to us to make the right decisions.
We see the toys already. I thought this was gonna be like a gospel song or something. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Go! It's a movie.
Dear God, I want you to control my mind. The devil on my left, but you still on my right side. When I feel to raise up the ear, I'm wrong to see you still beside me. Dear God, I want you to control my eyes. It's see what we come on.
People, look how he came in. Look how he came in. Look how he came in. Watch this.
Dear God,
yes, I want you to control my life.
But you still on my right side.
Yeah.
I'm wrong to see you still beside me, dear God. I want you to control my eyes. See what we come on, go crazy.
Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. Good music. Good music. But I was shocked just now. Let's see some chat. I was not expecting no toys. But the devil is on his left. But guess what? God is still on his right side. Go, people. Go like the video. Right? No, you know what? You know what? You know what? I got all of this once. If you go check out the song for yourself. Not everybody watch it. Yo, go check out the song. Click the link down below in the description or the link pinned in the comment section. Go check out the video for yourself. Go watch the video for yourself right now. Trust me. But if you want to watch your reaction, go and watch your reaction. Go and watch your reaction. Go on.
Never turn my back on my enemy. Why so no me guns them would take ready just to penetrate you. From and everybody know. We got the body set to you.
Whoa. Big up Guyana. Big up Guyana. Guyana. We got the body set to you. You want to say don't turn your back on your enemies. You can't underestimate. Don't underestimate your enemies. Watch your enemies close. Yo. Go on.
But them already, yeah. This now war break pussy, I will broke your chair. On your neck and make you take your last breath. This is madness, and I give you nothing.
Dear God,
I want you to control my mind.
Alright, side.
I'm wrong to see you still beside me.
Dear God,
I want you to control my life.
Wait, so is this a what flag is this? 80 Haitian flag?
Control my eyes. See what we come on, go crazy. But it's scared of true eyes. Never turn my back. I'm not in a to pick me brain, you gotta get a US code. Look on the moon, watch you on the highest grade tour. Get a satellite and pick me high. Intellectual, a brilliant, a genius from long time. No style, get the Kyle, stack the paper. Every time I realize my power like Albert Einstein. Visualize without a vision, time flies. To be the best you want to be before you die.
Oh my gosh. Y'all listening to the... Am I the only one that's feeling this right? Yo, but who upset on the really... Yo, you know what? I post a video up on the main channel to Bumbo Club. I don't care if we can't post a reaction over there. No, I can't do it. Trust me, I can't do it. John, I want it. I'm just scared. Yo! Run back a little bit. Go!
Time flies. To be the best you want to be before you die. Star boy, dear God, I want you to control my mind. The devil on my left, but you still on my right side. When I feel to raise up the ear, I'm wrong to see you still beside me.
Dear God, I Oh, you control my mind. Give me a second verse now. So when God give up badness and give him too much, basically Trevon and they're gonna know him get too much bad. Youth! Intermission time right now, people. If you're watching this video right now and you don't like the video, please leave a like on this video so the video get recommended to more people. So this music can reach a bigger audience. You see me? I say if you want it's on the Apple Music and Spotify and everyone, you can go message phone yourself. Message phone yourself. Links down below in the description. You see me? Go on.
Strap and you know we dangerous. If you come from the ends, you will get your head bust.
Yeah.
You get the youths, we not show no mercy.
Yeah.
That's why we not trust nobody.
What?
When we reach Psalm 23.
What y'all know about Psalms 23? What do you guys know about Psalms 23? You're supposed to know that right off your head, like tip of your tongue. You're supposed to know that. Jano. People, check out the song for yourself. Let's go on, let's go on. It's from the right side, that's a part there. Dear God, oh, you control my mind. My mind and my eyes. Never do it. The story behind this, storytelling, visuals. This lit. This is lit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm like it. Mental health can affect physical, emotions, and spiritual. How much longer will we cry silently? Listen to that message, read that message again. Mental health can affect you physically, emotionally, and spiritually. How much longer will cry out silently? How much longer? Follow him on Instagram. Left right on the screen right there, so. Left that on the screen right. Go follow him right, so. You see me? I want to go check out the song for myself, people. Because right now, the song is lit. The video lit to go. So go watch the video again for myself. I think I'm going to get a second view right now again. You see me? I say that. Well, it's been a boy TyrekeReacts, the reaction boss. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As usual, I want to say a huge thank you again for clicking on my videos, subscribing to my channel, and also liking my videos. You understand me? I really appreciate it. To you guys taking the time out of your lovely single day for watching me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Peace out.